children, welcome back to our EVS class. We can start a new lesson, a treat for mosquito. I would like to tell an incident that took place almost 100 years ago. In those days, thousands of people were died due to a disease. And this disease was found in the area where lot of rainfall and swampy areas. And the people believed that the disease was due to the poisonous gas that emitted from the swampy areas. And they gave the name also malaria. That means bad air. One day, a doctor found that some germs in the blood of one patient, but he couldn't know how it got into the blood. In that time, Ronald Rose was a medical student. He believed that it was because of the mosquito bite. He chased the mosquito with empty bottles and mosquito net. And he collected some mosquitoes. He put the mosquitoes into the mosquito net of the malarial patients. But he gave 1 anna for one mosquito bite. And he collected these mosquitoes and he bent over the microscope days and days, months and months, observing these mosquitoes. But one day he collected few mosquitoes which were different from that of other mosquitoes. And he collected these mosquitoes and he observed these mosquitoes under the microscope. Finally, he found out that some black things inside the stomach of the mosquito. And he proved that the malaria spread by the mosquito, not by the poisonous gas emitted from the swampy areas. At last, in 1902, he got the highest award for his achievement, the Nobel Prize for Medicine. Okay, children. Now, we can hear the conversation done by your friends.
Who wants to play when you have fever? On top of it, I had to take a bitter medicine. I even had a blood test. A blood test? Why? It must be having very painful. Actually, when the needle picked my finger, it felt like an ant bite. They took 2 or 3 drops of blood and sent it for testing. That's how we came to know that I had malaria.
But you get malaria when the mosquito bites you?
Yes, but we find out by the blood test.
There are a lot of mosquitoes in my house these days, but I did not get malaria. Who says that the every mosquito bites cause malaria? Malaria spreads only by the disease-carrying mosquitoes.
All the mosquitoes look the same to me.
There must be some difference.
Did they take the blood from the place where the mosquito had bitten you?
Of course not. How do I know when and where the mosquito bite me?
But how could they find out that you have malaria by your blood test? Do you think that they can see something in your blood?
Let us know more about the mosquitoes. Disease causing mosquitoes. Mosquitoes are the carriers or the vectors of many disease causing germs such as virus, parasites, etc. There are more than 3000 types of mosquitoes, but only 3 of them are responsible for the diseases. Do you know the diseases spread by the mosquitoes? Yes? Yes, malaria, dengue fever, yellow fever, then chikungunya, etc. Let us know more about malaria. Malaria is a disease caused by a type of parasite, a type of microorganisms. Malaria transmitted to humans through the bites of mosquito. A type of mosquito known as female Anopheles mosquito. Female Anopheles mosquito. Only the female mosquitoes suck blood, or only the female mosquitoes transmit diseases. Why? Because only the female mosquitoes have the mouth part suited to suck blood. Do you know how do malaria transmitted from one person to another? When a mosquito, female Anopheles mosquito, bites a patient of malaria, they suck the blood. Along with the blood, they suck the parasites also. And the mosquito become infected mosquito. When this infected mosquito bites a healthy person, malaria spread from person to person. Understood? What are the symptoms of malaria? Fever, shivering, headache, body pain, vomiting, cough, chest and abdominal pain, etc. And we know that the malaria is caused due to a type of parasite. What's the name of that parasite? It is Plasmodium. So what are the precautions we have to take to prevent the spreading of malaria? Don't allow water to stagnate, because the stagnant water is the place for the breeding of mosquito. What are the precautions we have to take to prevent the bites of mosquitoes? Use mosquito repellents and wear full sleeve shirt and pants. Fogging is another method. And cultivate guppy fishes, and that will eat the larvae of mosquitoes. Then mosquito nets, use the mosquito nets, etc. So children, find out more precautions you have to take to prevent the bites of mosquitoes. Okay children, I hope you all thorough with this lesson and enjoyed the lesson. Thank you.